Hello everyone, I am Barsha, your Nepali language tutor. Welcome back. It has been a long time since I have uploaded my new video. I could not upload my new video because of Dasai. Dasai is the biggest and greatest festival of Nepal, which is celebrated by Hindu people. Today, I am back with new video on simple past tense. The rule for simple past tense is similar to the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is also a kind of present past which is used for short duration past, like a short time before, like 5 minutes ago or 1 hour ago or 10 minutes ago. The rule is same like we did in present perfect tense. For more on present perfect tense, if you haven't watched, please visit the link given here. Now let's continue to learn simple past tense with different rules at the beginning.
Let's start our class on simple past tense, which means Samanya Bhutkal. Samanya Bhutkal. Samanya means simple, Bhut means past, Kal means tense with different changes in pronouns, kinds of verb and Nepali sentences and example. First, let's do types of verb. There are three categorization of verb. First is two syllables verb. Two syllables verb means the verb made by two syllables. For example, khanu, khanu, two syllables, which means to eat. Linu, linu, to take. Janu, janu, to go. Dhunu, dhunu, to wash. Runu, runu, to cry. Also, please make a note again. Here, janu, thunu and runu are the special kind of verb and the changes are irregular in present perfect tense as well and in the simple past tense as well. Half letter verb. Half letter verb means the verb which contains half letter in it. For example, pannu, pannu, which means to tell. Sunnu, sunnu, to listen. Garnu, garnu, to do. Hernu, hernu, to watch. In some book you can also find hernu means to look after. Here I have used as to watch. It has two meanings, to watch or to look after. Sutnu, sutnu, to sleep. Unu verb means the verb which contains unu at the end of it. For example, pakaunu, pakaunu, to cook. Chalaunu, chalaunu, to drive. Sikaunu, sikaunu, to teach. Banaunu, banaunu, to make. Dekaunu, dekaunu, to show. Now let's see different pronouns changes while using with transitive verb. Again, here comes the word transitive verb. If you are confused in transitive and intransitive verb, I again recommend you to watch my present perfect tense video where in the beginning I have explained detailedly on transitive and intransitive verb. So I have to change the pronoun from ma to maile. Here ma and maile both means I in English. There is no change of meaning, but we are changing the subject in Nepali for transitive verb in the past tense. In the all the perfect tense also we change the subject adding maile. Here I have used all the different kinds of pronouns. If you want to use the name, for example Barsha, you need to add Barsha le in the past or perfect tenses. Ma changes to maile. Timi, timile. Hami, hamile. Tapai, tapaile. Waha, uha. Wahale or uhale. U, usle. Similarly, you can change yo into esle, tyo into tesle. Uni, unle. Tini, tinle. Uniharu, uniharule. So, like I have said before, if you want to add any nouns or any name of a person, you need to change by adding le in the perfect tense sentences or past tense sentences. Okay, now let's see the final conjugation table for simple past tense. Here is list of pronouns and positive conjugation and negative conjugation. All the students I have taught so far are always confused in negative conjugation. So I recommend you to use negative conjugation as much as positive so that you'll be fluent in using both positive and negative form of sentences. Maile, a. Maile, ina. Timile, yo. Timile, enau. हामीले, यौं. हामीले एनौं तपाईले नुभयो तपाईले नुभएन उहाँले वहाँले नुभयो वहाँले उहाँले नुभएन उसले यो उसले एन उनले in or e. You can use either one. Negative is unle, inan or ina. Uniharule e, uniharule enan. Again, don't be confused here from the unle pronoun. In many books, usle and unle you can use for either he or she, but in this conjugation table, I have specially focused usle as he, unle as she. You will be more clear about this conjugation table in the examples. Okay, let's do the example taking मैले as pronoun and positive a and negative ina. Let's see the conjugation of the verb at first. Here I have taken two syllables verb khanu. When khanu plus a is added in the verb, nu is removed and a is combined with kha and the final verb is khae. Similarly, in the negative also, khanu plus ina, here nu is removed from the verb and the final verb changes to khaina. मैले खाना खाएँ, मैले खाना खाएँ. I ate food. मैले खाना खाइनँ, मैले खाना खाइनँ. I did not eat food. तिमीले, now let's see for तिमीले. Taking thunu as the two syllables verb, I have told you thunu is the irregular verb, so let's see the changes here. Thunu plus yo. You can see here thu changes to tho form. Tho yo. Here thu is replaced by tho, so it is also called irregular verb. Thunu plus enau. Here similar rule. Here thu changes to tho and enau is added after removing nu, tho enau. There is no any special rule for irregular verbs. Only 4 verbs are categorized into irregular, which changes are also irregular in the perfect tense and as well as in the past tense. If you are copying all the rules, please note down again. You can add thunu, runu, hunu and janu as irregular verbs. Now let's see the example of thunu. तिमीले लुगा धोयौ, तिमीले लुगा धोयौ. You washed clothes. तिमीले लुगा धोएनौ, तिमीले लुगा धोएनौ. You did not wash clothes. Now let's see the example of हामीले. Taking half letter verb लेख्नु. Here le and half kha and nu. The font is shown in this way because it is the computerized and printed form of lekhnu. If you are writing freely in your copy, you can write it as le, half kha and nu individually apart from each other. But here half kha and nu is combinedly shown. Let's see the positive and negative change of lekhnu. Lekhnu plus yo. Here also nu is removed and yo is added. So final is lekhyo. Here you can see half kha and yo is separately written, but lekhnu here nu is combinedly shown. So don't be confused in this font. It is le, half kha and nu again. Lekhnu plus enau. Now here is the main point you need to care about. Here nu is removed. Last time also I have taught in present perfect tense video. Whenever half letter and the vowel is combined, half letter changes to full letter. You can see here nu is removed, half kha is changed here to full kha, and a, the vowel is changed to the vowel symbol. If you are again confused between vowel and vowel symbol, I recommend you to watch my previous video and I will provide all the link below in the description box. Now here you can see half kha changes to full kha. A vowel changes to vowel symbol and becomes K, le, K, no, le, K, no. हामीले कथा लेख्यौं, हामीले कथा लेख्यौं. We wrote story. Here कथा means story. We wrote story. हामीले कथा लेखेनौं, हामीले कथा लेखेनौं. We did not write story. Let's do for तपाईले. Here, conjugation of tapaile, uhale and uhale is same in the positive and as well as in the negative. Let's take half letter verb again, garnu. Garnu plus nu bhayo, garnu bhayo. Here nu from the main verb is removed and nu bhayo is added, which makes garnu bhayo. Garnu plus nu bhaina, same rule. Nu from the main verb is removed and nu bhaina is added, garnu bhaina. तपाईले अफिसमा काम गर्नुभयो. तपाईले अफिसमा काम गर्नुभयो. Here I have used office as office itself. If you want to know exact word for office in Nepali, you can find in some book as कार्यालय, कार्यालय. Nowadays in Nepal we frequently use English word as Nepali, just translating it into Devanagari form. So I have used here office as office. But if you want to know the pure Nepali word for office, it's कार्यालय, कार्यालय. तपाईले अफिसमा काम गर्नुभयो. You worked at office. तपाईले अफिसमा काम गर्नु भएन. तपाईले अफिसमा काम गर्नु भएन. You did not work at office. You did not work at office. Now let's do for उहाँले and उहाँले. You can here उहाँले, he, उहाँले is she. It's not like that. You can use anyone for he or she. उहाँले also means he and she. उहाँले also means he and she. Let's do again example of half letter सिक्नु. सिक्नु plus नु भयो, सिक्नु भयो. सिक्नु plus नु भएन, सिक्नु भएन. Let's use this in sentence. Let's take example of half letter verb सिक्नु. सिक्नु plus नु भयो. The rule is same. Here nu from the main verb is removed and nu भयो is added and formed सिक्नु भयो. सिक्नु plus नु भएन, same rule, सिक्नु भएन. Let's see in the sentence. उहाँले नेपाली भाषा सिक्नुभयो. उहाँले नेपाली भाषा सिक्नुभयो. He or she learned Nepali language. उहाँले नेपाली भाषा सिक्नु भएन. उहाँले नेपाली भाषा सिक्नु भएन. He or she did not learn Nepali language. Let's do for उसले. पकाउनु. Now let's take unu verb example. पकाउनु plus यो, पकायो. Here unu is replaced by यो. पकाउनु plus यो, पकायो. पकाउनु plus एना, पकाएन. पकाउनु plus एना, पकाएन. Here in the unu verb, unu is replaced by the incoming conjugation, that is yo, and formed as pakayo. And pakaunu, unu is replaced by the incoming conjugation, that is ena, and changes to pakaena. Let's see the example. उसले खाना पकायो. उसले खाना पकायो. He cooked food. उसले खाना पकाएन. उसले खाना पकाएन. He did not cook food. उनले in or उनले ई. उनले इनन or उनले इन. You can use both, but mostly you can hear the last one used frequently in Nepali society. Unu verb example चलाउनु, to drive. चलाउनु plus in, चलाइन. चलाउनु plus e, चलाइ. Here unu is replaced by the incoming conjugation in or e. Same rule in the negative. चलाउनु plus इनन, चलाइनन. चलाउनु plus ina, चलाइना. Because of less space here, I haven't shown here ina, but here the verb formed is by adding ina. चलाउनु plus ina, चलाइना. उनले गाडी चलाइन् or उनले गाडी चलाइ. उनले गाडी चलाइन् or उनले गाडी चलाइ. Here गाडी means car. She drove a car, but in some book you can also find गाडी means a vehicle. उनले गाडी चलाइनन् or उनले गाडी चलाइन. उनले गाडी चलाइनन् or उनले गाडी चलाइन. She did not drive a car. उनीहरू. बनाउनु, to make. It's also unu verb, which means to make. बनाउनु plus a, बनाए. Here the rule is again same. Unu is replaced by the incoming conjugation a. बनाउनु plus एनन, बनाएनन्. बनाउनु plus एनन, बनाएनन्. Let's see the example. उनीहरूले चित्र बनाए. उनीहरूले चित्र बनाए. Here चित्र means picture. They made a picture. उनीहरूले चित्र बनाएनन्. उनीहरूले चित्र बनाएनन्. They did not make a picture. So that was all on simple past tense. For more practice, you can use two syllabus verb and this object, linu, which means to take. Paisa means money. Janu means to go. Sahar means city. Dino means to give. Kitab means book. You can use this verb and you can use these objects in your sentence to try the simple past tense conjugation table. Similarly, you can also try half-letter verbs. Bhannu as verb, katha as object, sunnu as verb, joke as object, hernu as verb, and khel as object. Here, bhannu means to tell, sunnu means to listen, hernu means to watch, katha means story, joke means joke itself, khel means sport, respectively. For unu verb, you can practice more using sikaunu, which means to teach. And object, you can use Nepali bhasha, which means Nepali language. Banaunu means to make. Ghar means house. Dekhaunu means to show. Phone means cell phone. You can use these verbs and these objects in your sentence to practice the simple past tense conjugation box. Practice more. Practice makes man perfect. So I recommend you to practice as much as you can possible.
That was all on simple past tense. All the examples with transitive verb. For intransitive verb, let's do some examples. Ma office ma gaye. Here, gaye is the change form of janu. Janu plus a becomes gaye. It's a special kind of verb. So jae is the wrong form. Gaye, you need to use gaye. And janu is intransitive verb. So I'm not using here maile. Ma office ma gaye. Similarly, negative you can make as ma office ma gaina. If you want to know more on transitive and intransitive verb, please visit my video on present perfect tense where I have explained detailedly about it. If you like this video, do not forget to give likes, and if you are new in our channel, do not forget to subscribe as well. And for sharing the knowledge which we have, let's share the video with other friends. Thank you. Namaste.